Hi guys, I'm here with another opportunity for you to start trading with. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to start trading with without having to make a dime of your own, without having to make any deposit. All you have to do is just register with this particular platform right here. Go ahead and put in your details, then you can go ahead and get the $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to start trading with. So I'm going to show you how you can get this $50. So make sure you follow me step by step on how you can get this bonus, and do well to follow every detail so you don't miss it. Because I wouldn't want you to miss you getting this particular bonus. There are some steps you need to take in order for you to get the bonus. Once you miss it, you will not be able to get the bonus. So please do well to follow attentively. And also, if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, or you are already viewing this channel, you're already watching videos from this channel, but you are yet to subscribe, please do that. Do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on details and updates that I'll be dropping on this channel. Subscribing to this channel gives you more access to my video faster than people who have not yet subscribed. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, share, like, and comment from where you're watching from so I can make a video for your country. So now let's go ahead to get the bonus. To get the bonus, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video. Once you click on it, it will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, the first thing you need to do is to click on join. It is very important to join the Telegram channel. They get updates and informations faster, and even before I bring them to YouTube, they already have the information. They already have an idea of what the video is. So please do well to join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out. And there are some informations that I drop on the Telegram channel that are not in the YouTube. So please do well to join, and also join the discussion group. Click on the pin post in the Telegram channel, you get the discussion group. So now let's go ahead and get the bonus. As I've said earlier, click on the link that is in the description of this video, take you to my Telegram channel. Then you see a part where you have to click on the link. You see a link like claim your $50 bonus here. So you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you directly to this part right here. So after doing that, all you have to do is just click on register here. Click on register. So here we're just going to open an account with them. We're going to put in our details. So as you can see right here, you put in your country and go ahead and put in your email address. Then you click on register. So right here, this is the next step that you need to take. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the first name and last name, put in everything that you want to do here, and you click on finish registration. As you can see right here, it's showing thank you for registering. Activate your personal account following the link from the email. That's the email that you used to register. Then after activating your personal account, you will receive an authorization letter by email. So all we need to do next is to add to our email address, our email, so we can get this message. Click on the link, then it will take us right to the next step. Here is the message I got from them, as you can see shown on the screen. In case if you notice that you didn't get the message directly on your all inbox or your primary message, check your spam message. You see the email message there. As you can see, I got my message through spam. So if you know you cannot find the message, just check your spam message and you find it there. So now let's go ahead and click on this login to client area. As you can see, that's the link we'll be clicking on. So we're just going to log into our client area. And here I'm just going to put in my login details. So showing right here, I got another email from them. As you can see, I got another email from them showing my login and my password that I'll be using to log in my client area. So once you click on the link that they sent to you that you'll be finding in your spam folder, click on login to your client area. After clicking on it, they will send you another email message again showing your login and your password that you'll be using in your client area. Make sure you don't miss this. This is what you'll be using to log in. So I'm going to copy my login details now and log into my client area, and so we can head into the dashboard and go ahead and claim the bonus. So this is me after I have logged into my dashboard, my client area, as you can see right here. So the next thing we want to do now is to go ahead and get the bonus. So for us to get the bonus, the next thing we are going to do is to click on promotions and bonuses right here. That is what we are going to be clicking on. You'll be clicking on promotions and bonuses. So now let's click on it. And here we have the details for the bonus. As you can see right here, we have the details for the bonus. So the next thing we want to do now is to click on activate your bonus code. I am taking my time now to explain this detailedly. Please do well to watch this video so you don't miss any parts. Don't fast forward this video. Watch it detailedly so you don't miss any details right here. So I'm going to click on activate bonus code. So I'm just going to activate the bonus code. Now the bonus code is all caps wow 50. This is the bonus code. So I'm going to activate it. If you do not activate this bonus code, you will not be able to get the account. You have to activate the bonus code. So good, activated the bonus code using our MetaTrader 4 here. This is the details that we need right here. And after, we're going to click on open account view. As you can see, you are welcome. Congratulations, welcome bonus 50 promo has been activated on a new account. We strongly recommend that you read the full terms of promotion. So I'm just going to click on learn more. As you can see, I've been able to secure the welcome bonus 50. So I'm going to click on learn more right here. As you can see showing on the screen, these are the things you need to know concerning this particular bonus. This is what you need to know. The bonus is valid for 7 calendar days, and the client can extend the bonus period by an additional 7 calendar days by funding the account. So after getting the bonus, it is valid for 7 calendar days. And after that, based on the volume of closed trade at the rate of $2.5 per one closed trade, these are the things you need to know. Just make sure you go through everything so you don't miss whatever it is that you need to know about this bonus. As you can see right here, make sure you follow the details and make sure you read it carefully and detailedly so you know what it is for you to be able to make withdrawal on this platform right here. So now, how can we get our bonus account? How can we get our MetaTrader 4 login details? As you can see right showing on the screen, this is the email I got from them, and they said the bonus fund in 50 years has been credited to my trading account, which is enabled to the welcome bonus, and the bonus is valid for 7 days. So you'll be able to prolong it by funding. That's if you want to prolong your bonus days, you can fund the account, but this welcome bonus, you can use it to, the bonus is valid for 7 days. You can withdraw your profit every 2 weeks while making transactions on this account. So these are the things you need to know concerning the $50 bonus. So as you can see shown on the screen, this is my login details that I'll be using to trade in my MetaTrader 4. For you to be able to get your login details, you have to check your email for your login details. Your login details to your MetaTrader 4 will be sent to your email. So this is my login details. So I'm going to head to my MetaTrader 4 now and log in to my account so I can get started with trading. So this is my MetaTrader 4. I'm going to click on the plus sign right here, log into an existing account. I'm going to search for the name of the broker, which is FreshForex Real. I'm going to click on Real. So I'm going to put in my login details right here and you click on sign in. I'm just going to click on sign in. It's connecting. So after clicking on sign in, all you have to do is just click on trade right here. Click on trade. Then here you have your $50 right here. You have your $50 no deposit bonus right here. Your $50 is already in your account. All you have to do is just start trading. Start trading. You can click on any of the pairs that you want to trade and you can go ahead and place your order and start trading on this platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the details. And it is very important that you watch this video step by step so you don't miss out on how you can claim this particular bonus. See you in my next video.